Welcome to winter wonderland. It's amazing to walk in the snow, which I haven't done for many years. It feels like going for the spa after so many years. Just crossing the park here, and I'm going to check up on the bird feed on a regular basis to make sure they have enough food. They can survive in this harsh winter. It looks like they ate most of the things last time, apart from the wheat, I think. So I got some more.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, family's near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss, a green red delight with glimmering silver white. You dazzle us all, from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, red presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. Thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share.